Selah, every year they had a festival. And the best wrestler would win a prize. And this prize was a prize for hunters who go out and catch an animal whose meat is most succulent. And even better than that, they cook the bone. The bone is very juicy and lovely. The sauce it produces is whoop. And you see, that's why the wrestlers would wrestle just to win that prize of a bone. Ibrahima, this year he won the prize of the bone. And when Ibrahima went home with the bone, he said, "Oh, wife, cook the pot and make the fire high, because I got the bone tonight." He said, "Put the bone in the pot, put the water on, and cook the fire very slowly. I want you to make sure you cook it very slowly so the juice will come out very succulent." He said, "Now, while this bone is cooking, I'm going to sit out back and cool myself off in the air and wait. And I'm going to just bask on the aroma, just anticipating the meal." So Ibrahima sat in his yard, just smiling and looking up. Now, Muhammad knocked on the door. Bam, 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 bam. Ibrahima said, "Wife, who is that disturbing me now?" She said, "This is your brother of the lodge, Muhammadu." "Oh, shoot. I know what he wants. He wants to partake of some of this bone, and I will not have this. This is something just you and me are going to sit down and enjoy, and I'm not want no one around. Get rid of him." She said, "But I cannot get rid of him. He is your friend." He said, "Tell him I'm sick or something." She went to the door and said, "Oh, Muhammad, your brother Ibrahim is sick." "He is sick," he said. "Huh, he is sick." I said, "Okay, then I'm a brother of a brother. And I would not let my brother be sick alone. I must visit him." "Yes, I must visit him. Tell him I'm coming to see him." The wife went to Ibrahim and said, "Ibrahima, he said he wants to visit you because you're real sick." He said, "I gotta get rid of this guy." She started to go back. He pulled her back and said, "Wife." She said, "Yes." He said, "Is that bone cooking very slowly?" She said, "Yes." He said, "Is the juice popping out very succulent?" She said, "Yes." "What are you going to do about Muhammad?" "Just tell him to come in. I'll just be sick." As Muhammad came back, Ibrahim said, "You must go away, Muhammad. I'm so sick." Muhammad said, "No. How's it like a brother of the lodge just leaving his brother like this? I must sit with you and keep you company." He said, "Oh, God, get rid of this guy." So he's beckoning his wife. He said, "Wife, I gotta get rid of this guy. I gotta come up with something. By the way, how's that bone doing?" She said, "It's doing fine." She said, "Is it cooking very slowly and succulent so the juice can come out?" She said, "Yes. Look, I'm going to give out a whine and I'm going to pretend I'm dead. You're going to wail, but I'm going to be dead. Get rid of this guy." She said, "But you can't do that. I got to get rid of him some kind of way." She said, "Okay." So he moaned, "Oh." She said, "Oh, my husband's dead. You must go away, Muhammad. You must go away, Muhammad." He says, No. I cannot leave my brother at this time of hour. I must beckon someone to come. Come, people, come. My brother is dead." So people started coming around wailing. The wife tapped her husband on the shoulder and whispered, "They're coming around. Your plan failed. What are you going to do?" "Don't worry about that right now. How's that bone doing?" She said, "The bone is doing okay." He said, "Is the juice coming out very succulent?" She said, "Yes." "What are you going to do about these people coming around?" "I'll worry about that. Let them." She said, "They're going to bury you. You know that? That's okay. Let them bury me. At least I get rid of that Muhammad." She said, "Oh, what are you doing?" He said, "Don't worry about that. Worry about the bone." The people came and they wailed and they prayed. They wrapped them up in the sheet. had the funeral procession. As they laid him down, she walked up to him and says, Idris, what are you going to do, Ibrahim? They're getting ready to bury you. He said, don't worry about that right now. How's that bone doing? He said, don't worry about the bone. He said, is it cooking very slowly, very second, where the juice can come out? He said, well, they're going to bury you. Don't worry about that now. Just worry about the bone. As they buried him, the angel of death came to him. Says, time to go. He says, no, it's not. He said, yes, it is. No, the bone is not ready yet. Don't worry about the bone where you're going. He says, no. Now, Muhammad said, I must appeal to the chiefs about my brother of the lodge. He went to the chiefs and said, chiefs, I am his best friend, the brother of the lodge. I wish you'd take care of his wife and marry her. He would like that. So they granted his wish. She married him, and that night, they took partake of the bone.
That story is from Senegal, West Africa. It was written by Dr. Borogo Diop, and along with the name was Los de Morlam. The leg of a dead lion.
Lamb of the dead man. Mission next to him.